In this scenario, you will learn how to create a new timetable at the beginning of a new academic year or school session. Follow each step carefully to ensure that the timetable is set up accurately before proceeding with the scheduling process. Select the academic year. Select your school start time and end time. The selected time will be displayed in the 24-hour format, while the time shown after selection will be displayed in the 12-hour format. The maximum period per session refers to the total number of instructional periods in the school timetable on the longest school day. It does not refer to your individual teaching time. Slot duration refers to the duration of one period in the timetable. Select the school day according to your respective school. You can change the timetable name if necessary. The effective date is a crucial element in the schedule, representing the date from which the schedule will be implemented. It is recommended to set the effective date to the first day of that week. The timetable type does not need to be changed. Please leave it on the default setting. To start adding subjects to the timetable, simply click on the correct time slot. In the subject information screen, enter the start time and end time. The time is shown in 12-hour format, so do not forget to select AM or PM. Next, select the class you teach. In the subject field, type the first few letters of the subject and select the correct subject name from the list. Number of DLP refers to the number of lesson plans needed for that slot. Usually, you just need to enter one. Once you have finished filling in the details, click Add. Now, repeat the same steps for all other subjects. Once your timetable is ready, click on the Save button. If you notice any errors after saving, simply click the Back button to make corrections. Click on the incorrect subject slot, update the details, and click Update. Then, do not forget to click Save. Once the timetable is complete, click Activate Timetable. Once activated, the subject and time information will be automatically inserted into the lesson plan when creating an lesson plan. In this scenario, you will learn how to make minor adjustments to an existing timetable, such as changing the lesson time or updating an existing subject. Follow the steps carefully to ensure that all changes are applied correctly without affecting the overall timetable structure. If the timetable is already active but requires minor adjustments, start by clicking Deactivate Timetable. The system will prompt you to select a deactivation date for the timetable. Choose the date on which you want the timetable to be deactivated. It is recommended to set the deactivation date as the last day of the academic week. This helps ensure a smooth transition and prevents any disruption to the existing timetable. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Copy button to create a copy of the existing timetable. Update the timetable information if necessary. Then, select the effective date for the new timetable. It is recommended to set the effective date as the first day of the academic week. This ensures a smooth transition and allows the new timetable to take effect from the beginning of the week. Then press Save. Now, select the subject slot that need changes and make the necessary changes. Once the updates are completed, click the Update button to save the changes. Repeat the same steps for any other changes that need to be made. Once all the changes have been made, click the Save button. Lastly, go to the Timetable section and click the Activate Timetable button to activate the new timetable. This will allow the newly updated timetable to be applied and used in the system. To make major changes to the timetable, such as restructuring the timetable layout, modifying multiple subjects, or making significant adjustments to the existing schedule, go to the Timetable section and click the Deactivate Timetable button to deactivate the current timetable. Select the deactivation date for the timetable. Remember, it is recommended to choose the last day of the academic week as the deactivation date. This ensures a smooth transition before implementing the new timetable structure. Next, scroll down and click Add Timetable. Then, follow the same steps explained in Scenario 1 to creating a new timetable.